Hello, my name is Rafael. I am a college student. I have a quite busy daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. to get ready to go to campus. Before I go to campus, I buy breakfast and take a shower. After class, I usually have lunch with my friends at the canteen. Then, I go back to class to continue the next course. After campus activities finish, I go straight home. When I arrive home, I take a shower and rest for a while. At night, around 8 p.m., I go out to buy dinner. After dinner, I usually clean the house, such as sweeping and mopping the floor. After everything is done, I play games until 11 p.m. and then I go to bed. Those are my activities for the week from Monday through Thursday. From Friday to Sunday, I am usually more laid back because I don't have classes. On weekends, although I don't have classes, I like to use the time to catch up on my studies and work on assignments. It's important for me to stay ahead and maintain a good academic performance. Thank you.